Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, being responsible and wearing your mask. I know COVID has been like super crazy and on the increase like daily, and even just the amount of deaths that has happened is so crazy. I think we're up to 60 now, yeah, 60, and that is insane considering we are a small nation. So I mean, it's baffling because our beaches are closed, bars are closed, so where is this spike still coming from? The only thing I can think about is that we have just not been doing the proper and mandatory testing that should have been done all along. So it's like shit hitting the fan basically right now. So please, you have to take personal responsibility in this whole thing and protect yourself, protect your loved ones, and just do the responsible things. But anyway, I know most of you come here for an escape just like myself, and today I have another haul video for you all. Now, this haul was never meant to happen. This was a genuine, just like, well, basically Shanada being Shanada and a stupid shopaholic. So if you want to see what I bought at Pennywise and Wonderful World, then keep watching. So I have had these bags sitting in my room for, I want to say, more than 5 days now. I know that is crazy, and the reason why I took so long to film this video is because school is reopening. So I have been preparing to register and mainly mentally preparing for just school reopening, just online and all of these different things happening. It's big adjustments. And for me personally, because I prefer face-to-face teaching, so this is like totally new and fresh for me. So yeah, my anxiety has been having a lot of fun. But anyway, I know you guys here for the whole video, and you all have been messaging me like, bitch, where the Pennywise things, where the Wonderful World goodies, we know you went and shop, we didn't forget. Thanks for bearing with me, but the video is finally here, so let's get straight into the hauls. I think I want to do the Pennywise haul first, so let's go. Okay, so in front of me I have laid out the Pennywise haul items, and let me tell you, these things are completely unnecessary, but I just went crazy. And I'm gonna start off with the crazy part first, and you'll see why I'll say it's crazy. But I have been obsessed with lip balms lately, like really fun, cutesy, girly ones. And yeah, so I went a little bit crazy at Pennywise. I did not even know they had all of these, so I was really excited to find them there. And first up, I have these Kellogg flavored lip balms. So they have all of these different cereals like Fruit Loops, you have Rice Pops, this one is Pop Tarts, Apple Jacks, Frosted Flakes, just anything that has to do with the Kellogg's brand. And it comes in this nice cute little tin, so that if you're traveling you can keep it in there as well. Like, look how fun this is. I know it's kind of childish, but they'll be really cute for like skincare videos and all of that, so I had to get them. I also found this PEPSI lip balm set. What? This is so crazy. Like, hello, it resembles the Lip Smacker ones, the brand that has Dr. Pepper and even I think Coca-Cola, I'm not sure. But look how fun this is. Like, I can't wait to open this and play with it. But it looks like a vending machine, so you can actually press it and stuff. And this is a 9-piece, and it comes with 4 lip balms, which are these here, and 4 stickers and a keychain. So it comes with a Pepsi keychain, which I don't really care for. I just want the lip balms. But how fun is this? I want to open it. Let's open it. Okay, so I managed to get one out, and look how stinking cute this is. Oh my god, the details is ridiculous. Like, what? This is insane. This is the Diet Pepsi flavored lip balm. So you just screw off the top and it can turn. Oh my god, I don't know what Diet Pepsi smells like, but this smells like soda, like straight up soft drink. It smells good, not gonna lie, but it's so fun. I can't wait to play with these. So y'all know you always see them in my skincare videos on Instagram, so look out for those. If you thought that was the end of my lip balm haul, you're dead wrong. I got some more. This is from the brand Taste Beauty, and they're in the shape of mason jars. And look how fun and cute this is. It's honestly so cute, I'm gonna die. But this one is raspberry. We have berries, s'mores, a fruit salad one. They're very fun, and I think they work just like the Pepsi ones where, oh, great, where you just screw off the top and you roll it up from the bottom. But these are like $10, so they were super cheap, and I believe they have more. I think so, I'm not sure, but you can check them out. They look so fun, so look out for these on my Instagram as well. I'm down to 2 lip balms, and this second to last one is from the brand Deluxe. This is a blueberry lip balm, and I do have the lemon one to this, and I enjoy it a lot. It's very fragrant, like you can really smell that lemon essential oil coming through. But when I tell you, that thing is super hydrating, so I'm hoping that this one works the same way, because it really does a great job of moisturizing my lips for a long time without feeling too greasy and slippery. It's very hydrating. If you have dry lips, check these out. And the last lip balm that I picked up is from Trolls. I was obsessed with this movie. Like, I literally watched it 17 times in one day. Is that even correct math? Probably not, but you get what I mean. I love the show so much, so when I saw this I went crazy. And this is the bubblegum flavor, and it's, well, of course, poppy, and it actually looks so cool because I think this is like, yes, it's a lip gloss holder, and the actual tube of lip gloss is in here, so I'm really excited to try this. But oh, look how cute. Honestly, if I was a kid and I had this, I would stunt on them bitches, just like,
not today, Sarah, don't talk to me, I'm busy.
So the rest of the items in the Pennywise haul are skincare items. I know, no makeup.
What? Growth? Who is she?
So the first item I picked up is this hemp oil body butter. This is by the brand Flower Essence. I've never heard of them before. I did see this being sold at the dollar store as well as on Amazon, and it smells so nice. It smells like a fruity yogurt. It looks like it's promising because it does have a high amount of hemp oil in here. Like, I see it is the 4th ingredient in here, which means that it has a high amount of concentration of that hemp oil. And you know, a lot of brands have been jumping on the hemp oil and the cannabis sativa oil trend lately, so I'm excited to see if this does make a difference in my skin. I picked up some baby shampoo to wash some makeup brushes. That's really all I can say about this. Baby shampoo, good for brushes. I also picked up this holographic unicorn sheet mask. This is from the brand Epielle. It's a K-beauty brand, so it's supposed to be brightening, moisturizing, and renewing. I have tried masks from this brand before and they work really well, so I figured why not give this one a try. And this was like the only sheet mask I saw from this brand at the Trinity Mall Pennywise anyway, so if you see them at your branch, let me know, because I want to get some more from this brand to try. I also picked up 2 products from Himalaya. This is their under eye cream, and the reason I picked this up is because the eye creams in my collection are all from Sephora or Fort Ray Beauty, which is ColourPop's skincare brand. So I did want to, you know, have access to something locally that works. So hopefully this does work with minimizing my dark circles and keeping under my eyes moisturized. I also picked up their Revitalizing night cream, and the reason I picked this up is because their anti-wrinkle cream just finished, so I needed another moisturizer for night. So I thought, why not just give this a try and see how it works out. They're supposed to restore moisture balance, nourishes and rejuvenates your skin. It has white lily and tomato in it, so sounds good. It contains a lot of antioxidants, and the tomato contains AHAs, which is supposed to help with cell renewal and like cell turnover. So it sounds good. I will test it. Of course, everything I will update you guys either on my Instagram or at, you know, a later date on YouTube, because I do like to test my skincare thoroughly before I recommend them. This next product is one I am super excited about. I think it has to be the most exciting skincare product for me in this haul, and it is the CALA Green Tea Deep Cleansing Oil. You know how hard it is to find cleansing oils in Trinidad, at least for me. Look how adorable this looks. And I know it wasn't like super cheap, but compared to the other cleansing oils in my collection, this is really inexpensive. And it's supposed to cleanse and hydrate your skin. Could take off makeup. You can use it, you know, on its own, just to, you know, give yourself a nice deep cleanse. So I am really excited for this. But look how bougie this packaging is. I love it, and I love that it comes with this little clamp here, so that if you're traveling, it doesn't mess up in your luggage. It's very, very chic, and I love the packaging. I'm obsessed with it already. So I will let you guys know how this works. I was also really excited to find this e.l.f. Illuminating eye cream at Pennywise as well. Like, I really need some accessible and affordable eye creams in my collection. But I mean, e.l.f. with this packaging, this looks so expensive. Whoa. Doesn't smell like anything, so I'm glad that it's, you know, fragrance free. And what this does, it's a nourishing cream that helps hydrate and minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for glowing and healthy looking skin. Sounds good to me. So of course, look out for my review. And the last haul item from Pennywise is this Royal 100% pure cotton pads. It's a premium, so that definitely tricked me into buying this, because I am still on the hunt for the perfect cotton pad. And the one that I'm using right now, I can't remember the brand. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen, but that one is working really good so far. But I don't know why I bought this to, I guess, try. So I'll let y'all know. Jumping straight into the Wonderful World haul items. This is a robe that I picked up, and this was a little bit pricey. However, compared to other places, this is super cheap. I think Wonderful World has definitely the most affordable robes in my opinion. If you know anywhere that has them cheaper, please comment it down below. But I always wanted a cuddly soft robe. Right now I do have one, but it's very big. It was gifted to me by one of my cousins, and I feel kind of drowned in it because it's so big. Like, the sleeves are long, like it even drags on the floor. It's that big. And I do have a satin one, which I enjoy a lot. So I did want a fluffy robe, like, you know, just to lounge around in my room sometimes, or, you know, just to run out and collect something outside and I'm not dressed properly. I can just throw this on and go. So I'm excited to have a fluffy robe, and you will see these in my skincare videos. I did pick up another hair turban. This is the same CALA Splash Solutions line, and I picked up a pink one instead. I have been killing that purple hair turban like crazy. I wash my hair like twice a week, so I have to keep like using it and then washing, using and washing. So now that I have two, I can just interchange. But I mean, look at this baby pink. Life. By the way, I think I saw these at Pennywise too, and they were like $5 cheaper, but they had just one color. So if you want variety, you can just pay a little extra at Wonderful World. I think most of us realize that Wonderful World is our sheet mask plug, so it's no surprise that I went and stocked up on some. I have like about 4 or 5 more left, so I did want it to top up because I never want to be without these Crème Shop just character sheet mask. They're so good. They really do a great job of hydrating my skin, and I can't seem to come about ever buying expensive sheet mask again. These are just life, and they do a great job at hydrating, moisturizing, and even brightening my skin. Like, my skin feels so good after I use these, especially the next day. So yeah, I see a difference with them. I love them. I'll keep recommending them. I completely forgot I got one more sheet mask from the Crème Shop, and this one says it's on sale, but it was $30, so I definitely don't even want to know what was the original price. But it seems like it's super expensive because it's like a zodiac, and it's an energy essence mask. So it has aloe vera propolis, which is a honeybee extract, and juniper berry. So I guess it's more expensive because they definitely seem to use more expensive ingredients in this mask. But look at the packaging on this. I don't even want to open this. I know that's the Aquarius in me. I love it. It's so cute. But of course, I wonder if it has like the zodiac sign on it. I'll be so cool. I also picked up this pack of CALA Cleansing sponges, and the main reason I bought these is to, on my lighter days, just, you know, you want a little extra deep cleanse, but at the same time you don't want to go in with a harsh exfoliator or even like a strong cleanser. So I think these would come in really nice to use with my regular gel cleansers, just for a little extra clean, like especially on the days I use sunscreen to make sure I really get rid of all of that sunscreen from my face. I would use these. I picked up this little pack of hair clips. It has 2 hair clips with these cute little pineapples on top, and it has glitter inside of it, and it has some confetti in the clips itself. Like, look how cute. I just bought it really for Instagram purposes, like for photos and whatnot, and yeah, to actually keep my hair out of my face when I do my skincare, so it may have a purpose, we'll see. This next product is one I have been on the hunt for and just waiting for it to hit stores in Trinidad, and I finally found it at Wonderful World, and it's the CALA Rosewater Deep Cleansing Foam. So many of you all know I love rose water, or just anything with rose in it, and y'all sent me this when CALA had released it on their Instagram, and I was like, yes, I know, I'm waiting patiently for it. And I saw it at Wonderful World, and then when I went to Pennywise, of course they had it like at $19 cheaper or something. It was a drastic price difference, and I was so mad, but at the same time I was so happy because I did want to try this for a long time. And I just took it out of the plastic, but I haven't smelled it yet. I guess I was expecting it to have like a strong rose fragrance. I don't know, maybe when I apply it I'll smell it, but it kind of looks like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like a shiny white cream. So it does look like it's going to be pretty nourishing, and it's supposed to brighten and balance. So I will definitely keep you all updated for this. I love cream cleansers, especially on mornings, so I hope this works. I did pick up another clear lip gloss from the brand Ruby Kisses, and this is their Jellicious lip gloss with mango butter and acai berry. This was really affordable, and I think it really hard to spend a lot of money on a clear lip gloss. So if these affordable ones work out, just like my LA Girl one, that one works so well over matte lipsticks. It's perfect. I can't describe it. It's just the perfect lip gloss. But this one hopefully does the same thing, because this one is actually cheaper than the LA Girl one, so we'll see. And the last 2 items are sale items as well. This is the Hello Kitty Hand Dandy Cream, and this is in the scent Birthday Cake. Because we are sanitizing our hands more, we definitely need to be treating them with some love and moisturizing them as well. So this is why I picked this up to fit in my purse. This is the Birthday Cake, which is a limited edition, and it smells so nice. I did open this one to smell it. It honestly smells like cake batter. It smells very sweet, and look how cute this is. I hope they have more in this, because this was the only one I found at the Trinity Mall branches. So I don't know, I might have to make a trip to my Wonderful World and see if they have any more, because I want to get like a bunch of these. And the last item is this Crème Shop lip balm. It's like a macaron lip balm. Look how cute this thing is. It's so adorable. I know I have a problem with lip balms. So this is it here, and it's supposed to be like a green apple flavor. So this is it open here as well. It does have a somewhat fruity scent to it, expected because it is green apple scented, but it's super cute. I'm really glad to have this in my collection. I saw they had like a bunch of these, but like with different characters, and I want to get my hands on them. So if your Wonderful World branch has, please let me know so I can go and snag them. And there you have it, my latest Pennywise and Wonderful World haul video. Don't forget, if you enjoyed it, to give your girl a big thumbs up. That's right, hit the like button, and also comment down below like what items you're thinking about trying from this haul, or if you have them already, let me know how they work for you. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join our little family here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back and checking to see what your girl had in store for y'all. And yeah, I guess that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.